Hey, I'm going to unbox the Rane SL2 and hook it up and show the kind of signal flow for it. So check it out. Okay, Rane SL2 comes with it. Couple of RCA cables, 4 of them, also come with it. A USB cable, Serato DJ software and drivers, Serato Scratch Live, Serato DJ software. These are rubber stamps for the bottom of the interface. Actually, also in here are the timecode CDs. Got your Serato DJ manual and your quick start guide. Control vinyl. 2 of them. Alright, so I'm going to hook it up. I will start with signal flow. So record's gonna go on. Actually, that'll go on in a minute. Let's start with this. All right. So thinking of it like signal flow. Essentially, we'll start at the record because the record will go on. Go output. Output of the turntable. Input of the Rane device. Signal travels from the USB into the computer. Turn the computer on. Powers up. Then it comes back out, and essentially you would want to go left deck into your mixers. That's what I'll do. Output. Into the mixer. And then my output is going to go from my mixer into my stereo. Then I'm going to put the actual record on there. Make sure my interface is talking. It is. Open Serato DJ. Drag the track. And hopefully we get jams. There it is. This is not the kind of turntable that you're going to use for scratching. This is a belt driven. I'm a guru too, I had to get away. And also Steve Davis and Steve Davis. Photo with another guy. I like the songs on the streets in Mexico. Except the fact that my motor be so cool. I'm cruising USA just to make the loop from east to west just to get some rest. I gotta find a new home. That's it. Start the show from scratch. Finally stash some cash and make the Oh, and by the way, at www.rollzanddice.com/Rane SL2, there is more information about this interface, including a podcast and a blog post. And if you're on YouTube, please subscribe because it really does help. All right, thanks. Peace.